You want me out there? I see her. Jesus fucking Christ. Fucking gate. Trying to close this.
It's supposed to close on its own.
Oh, obviously it didn't.
Come on. Oh, she didn't walk up all the way. Come on. Come on. You can't open that because she's standing there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man.
Get your fat butt up there. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't think we're gonna need that out, but.
Need this? No.
You stupid.
Matter. What?
She just took a massive dump. You want me to hold her tail up? So what we're doing now, we're taking cedars out. You guys can see, you guys really can't see that very well. There's the cedar. And now it comes time for the shot.
Put that out. Put that out.
Here, you want me to move this? So what's in there?
Ludolice.
Ludolice, how many cc's?
5 cc's.
So 5 cc's of Ludolice. That's 1 cow down. 1 more go. Are you letting them out?
Is the fence off? Yeah.
Yeah, it better be.
It did.
No, I'm serious.
Pick up that halter.
I'm like, it better be because like.
I know.
Yeah, I'm not saying that. I said it. The way I said it might have sounded sarcastic, but you know. All right. Oh wait, cause she's fat tank butt.
There you go. I'll help you.
Here. I got it. I got it. She'll figure it out.
He's in the grass.
Dang it, she's too far up. Jazzy.
Go! Go! Alright.
Oh, I thought you did Jazzy first.
That's what I wanted to hold it.
Oh.
She's being bad dog. Alright, open the
Oh.
Let me put this on here so she doesn't try to. Alright, you're good.
I'm right here. And aside from that, she can't get through here. You come.
Don't set that. Grandma needs to get through.
She's going. Okay, wait.
Get back.
Do you want me to try to pet her to occupy her? Nope, never mind. Are you bringing her around or are you coming out this way?
Bring her around.
Okay. All right. She's going around.
Oh, you're just doing it in there?
No, wait. Oh, you're just gonna do it in there? What?
Make sure the door is shut on the chute.
Oh, on this right here?
She want a shot?
Oh, no.
Blue ice looks like water.
Don't mess with it.
I got her right here to give it to her.
She's bringing her in here. She's gonna run the other ones out and then bring her around and then bring her through the chute. So, I think.
This is 10G. Troublemaker. Grandma, you just want to do her in there? Alright, open the door.
There's your answer.
She didn't even answer me.
That's the point. She's just like Bo.
Here's Bo.
The ranch.
Oh.
Bo Bennett.
Wow, that one really lost. Come on. Come on. Sunny Farms.